Megaprojects encapsulate mammoth-sized, highly complex, and expensive projects that span multi-year timelines. They are usually assigned by governments or international organizations, and often fall within the construction or information technology industries. These projects impact the economy, society, and environment on a global scale, typically exceeding $1 billion in budget and taking years, if not decades, to complete. Historically, megaprojects trace their lineage back to the great engineering achievements of ancient times. For instance, the Great Wall of China, the Roman aqueducts, and pyramids of Egypt are early human efforts that have used enormous resources and manpower. However, the modern concept of megaprojects emerged during the 1930s, with undertakings such as the Hoover Dam and the U.S. Interstate Highway System. Such projects demand an integration of various sectors such as energy, transport, water, and construction, among other aspects. They also involve myriad stakeholders, from investors and engineers to politicians and the public. Megaprojects hold immense significance for various reasons. Firstly, they are a symbol of a country's or entity's ambition and status. These massive undertakings showcase national pride, geopolitical influence, and a country's willingness to tackle large-scale problems. An example is the International Space Station, a collaborative effort between several nations to establish a permanent human presence in space. Secondly, they bring about transformative change in terms of infrastructure, technology, and economy. Take, for example, the Panama Canal. Since its completion in 1914, the canal has been a commercial shipping game-changer by offering a shorter route between the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, significantly boosting global trade. In addition to their positive implications, megaprojects also come with a set of challenges and negative ramifications. A conspicuous challenge relates to their typically high costs and time overruns. The Sydney Opera House, for instance, was completed a decade later than planned, with a cost overrun of 400%. This optimism bias is prevalent in most megaprojects, often resulting in major financial losses and increased public scrutiny. Another significant concern is the environmental impact associated with such large-scale projects. They often lead to the displacement of local communities and wildlife, deforestation, and the disruption of aquatic ecosystems. For instance, the Three Gorges Dam in China, despite producing impressive hydroelectric power, led to the displacement of over 1 million people and triggered a host of environmental issues such as erosion and loss of biodiversity. Moreover, the political and social dimensions associated with megaprojects can be quite controversial. They traditionally favor large corporations while marginalizing smaller businesses, and often result in gentrification or social displacement. The London Olympics of 2012, touted to bring economic advancement, resulted in the expulsion of local East Enders from their homes, accentuating socio-economic disparities. However, megaprojects also offer unique opportunities to drive development in sustainable and equitable ways. If implemented with due diligence and with appropriate planning and oversight, they can bring about a significant positive impact. The Øresund Bridge, linking Denmark and Sweden, is one such megaproject that has benefited both economies hugely, increasing the workforce mobility and enhancing regional integration. In conclusion, megaprojects are a fascinating study of human ambition and resourcefulness, characterized by their scale, complexity, and high stakes. They are double-edged swords that can bring about immense economic growth and technological progress, but may also summon considerable financial, environmental, and social costs. Prospectively, the successful implementation of such grand projects hinges upon accurate project estimates, fair treatment of stakeholders, sustainable practices, and robust public engagement.